Hi, my name is Jack, and I want to tell you a little story about a fantastic experience that I had recently shopping online at iRetailers.com. Now, they have everything you can imagine online, including the big names like Macy's, Circuit City, Microsoft, Buy.com. Everything is there for you. So I say to you, why go to the shopping mall to try to fight the crowds, let alone try to find a parking space and maybe fighting over the parking space with the crowds, and when you can be at home with a family, shopping online, quiet, safe shopping, and being able to select everything that you need at iRetailers. It's a great way, and of course the future is online for shopping. So why not take this opportunity to take a look at iRetailers.com, do a little bit of shopping, find out some of the information. I'm sure you would be impressed, like I have been impressed by this company, and you'll return for more as well. Take a look at the website www.i-retailers.com. That's www.i-retailers.com, and I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for like I have.